Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the Sirius version 4 program today and how to enter the chart data. The first time you run the Sirius program, your first task is to enter the birth data. So we're going to click on start and then we will click on new list of charts. That is how you enter the chart the first time. And then you can see it is blinking in the name section, in the name box. So there is a guideline there for you in yellow highlight. We will put the surname, comma, first. We'll put Queen and comma, and then Joe, the first name of the person. And then we will do the tab. Press the tab on your keyboard and enter the date of birth, month. It'll say January, month first, space, say 23, comma, 1975. And then the year. And you press the tab again, it will take you to the time box. Enter the time of birth of this person. We will say 3 space AM and then press the tab and will take you to the place. Now entering the place is very easy. Simply enter the correct spelling of the name of the city first. So we will say Gainesville, comma, space. As you can see, if you put F in here, Florida is already there, but if you put F in here, it will put it on the top of the list on the drop-down box. So you just click on the Gainesville, Florida, and there you go. It populates the latitude and longitude automatically. I suggest not to touch the coordinates in there because this is a well-researched program. The DST tables are very, very accurate, so don't touch that part. Now we go directly to the gender, and this Joe is a male, so we could click on male in here. And on the category, we can change the category in here if you have already created one, or you can just ignore this part. Whatever is in there is fine for now, so don't do anything with it because you can just change the category at any time. The most important part of this window is the accuracy rating. You must always put the accuracy rating in here when you know the time of birth of this person and the source. So usually we like the birth certificate source. So we will assume that what we entered here is based on the birth certificate. So we click on the drop down arrow, we select AA for birth certificate. Now on here as well, you will see that there's an area here where you can put notes. You can either just type a little note in here on who this person is, or you can click on this plus symbol in here, and then it will, you click on yes, and then it will give you this big window where you can put unlimited notes about this person. This is very, very important, especially when you are seeing a client and there's an important note that you want to put in there that you don't want to forget, then put it in here. And then you just click on OK, and you will see the notes in here. And then you click on Done. And then click on Yes to save. Because I forgot to click on Save, you just click on Yes. Always save your birth data so that you have it for the future. You just click on Yes, and then you click on OK, and then here you go. There is the chart. So that is the main data entry screen. It's very simple and easy. I hope you like that.